we are very close to having a new puppy. We want to make sure that we have a space for him because he is not going to be an indoor dog like our dogs now because he's a big old King Corso. So we are about to build this. Let's see, it says assembly time 1 hour with 2 people. 2 people are required. Okay, Chris, so the 2 of us are going to put this together. It's like 10 by 10. Comes with a top too. So, and this is very thin. It's only a few pages long, so it can't be that difficult. Alright, this is the finished product. Tony and the boys did have to switch around these poles that are beside the door because the screws were on the opposite side. But that's all fixed now. It'll definitely be ready for our new addition. For now.